All right, this is from Lexi in Norfolk. I've been having sharp pains in my heart, and when I Googled all the rest of my symptoms, I read something that this could be a gallbladder issue. How could my heart be affected by my gallbladder? This doesn't even make sense. Is this possible? Okay, so let's look at this picture. Liver makes bile all the time, and it literally trickles down the tubes that lead into the small intestines. But there's this little valve that's closed when you're not eating. What happens is the bile will back up and it drops into the gallbladder when you're not eating. So it's just stored there and it's concentrated. So when you do eat it, when you do eat any kind of fat, a steak or fried food, as soon as you eat those foods, it basically squeezes some bile out. And that valve opens up, and then the bile helps the digestion of all that fatty foods. And so sometimes the gallbladder concentrates it so much that it solidifies and it turns into these little gallstones. And these gallstones could be literally the size of sand, or it could be all the way to the size of a golf ball. And when that gallbladder tries to shoot out the bile, if there's stones in there, the stones can get stuck in that neck of the gallbladder of the valve leading into the intestines. And that's where you'll get that pain. And it's not really chest pain, it's right underneath your chest. So it's not chest pain you're feeling, it's just right underneath. It's actually kind of in that chest cavity. So, based on how big your gallstones are, so gallstones are like pearls. So they can start small, but as they sit there, they can get bigger and bigger and bigger. And so as soon as you eat some fatty food, boom, that gallbladder starts shooting out the bile, and that stone can get stuck. And so if depending on how big the gallstones are, that's going to be the severity of the pain that's going to be shooting into you.